I found a side hustle where you can get paid anywhere from $50 to $500. And the cool part is you don't need a college degree. You don't need any prior experience. And to be honest, you can do this from anywhere in the world. Now, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know my content is all about helping you build a lot of different streams of income so you can actually create your unforgettable life. But this one specifically, I found it. I was blown away by how much money that you can get paid for it and how much demand there is for people who actually want to pay you money for this specific job. Now, once again, this is a very specific side hustle, and for some people, it can be really boring, but this is perfect for you, especially if you love to write. Now, this isn't just being like a copywriter, but it is being a specialized writer. And in this video, I'm going to walk through the entire process of how to identify which specialized writing you want to do, how to actually find the gigs, and how to get paid, especially if you want to start this today. And it is really that easy because I have found literally multiple gigs and projects that I could apply to and get paid that same week. Now, first off, specialized writers are basically writers that, once again, only basically write in one specific industry. Now, there are so many industries where people are looking for writers because, once again, they can't just hire any writer. They need someone who actually knows the knowledge in that industry. And the cool part is people get paid thousands of dollars because the majority of these people that are actually hiring these specialized writers, they're from corporate businesses, tech firms, even startups, softwares, and other industries where they actually have the funding and they have the capital to hire specialized writers to make sure that they are getting good quality work. Now, before I pull up my laptop and actually show you how to find these gigs, there are so many industries that you can be a specialized writer in. So a few that I'm going to pop up on the screen are technical writing, grant writing, medical writing, there's legal writing, there's copywriting, there's ghost writing, financial writing. Like, there are so many specific industries that, once again, you can be a writer for. And once again, people are willing to pay you top dollar because there's not many people who specialize in that specific industry. And quickly, before I pull up the platform that you can find these gigs and opportunities and start getting paid this week, I want to go through which each specialized writing industry does and like what you're basically going to be writing about. So I'm actually going to pull up my laptop because I don't have these memorized. Once again, first of all, technical writing. This is basically if you're writing manuals, this is user guides, white papers, API documentation, even like software documentations, and different companies that are willing to pay you money for this is tech companies, softwares, online platforms, even stuff like Upwork, freelancers, and other job-like websites. And then there's grant writing. So basically what you're writing, if you want to be a grant writer, is grant proposals for nonprofits. This can be educational institutions, research projects, and where to actually find these clients are nonprofit organizations, once again, universities, that they have a lot of money to pay you, research institutions, and platforms like GrantSpace or even Indeed. Medical writing, this is a big one, especially if you already have a background in medical. This can be research papers, clinical trial reports, regulatory documentations, patient education materials. And once again, like pharmaceutical companies, medical communication agencies, like there are so many places where people are looking for, once again, writers to write these up because there actually is a lack of people who don't necessarily either want to do this or they don't know how to do it. But once again, if you know how to write, you can basically write in any of these industries. Now, I'm not going to go through all of them because there is a lot, but if you want like the full breakdown of what you would be writing and where to find these jobs, I'm just going to put in the description so that way you guys can walk through it all on your own. Now, what I want to show you is the platform that I actually found where you can specifically find these projects and, once again, get paid this week if you get accepted into the project. And the platform that I found is freelancer.com. Now, if you've watched some of my other videos, you know I talk a lot about like Upwork and Fiverr, but this specific platform, it's really, really good when it comes to categorizing which specialized writing projects that you want to do. So I'm going to pull up my screen and actually show you and walk you through how to use Freelancer and how to find these specific projects. So once again, first of all, just go to freelancer.com and you can see this is specifically a platform where you can find jobs. Okay, so when you go to this platform, the first thing that you want to do is, of course, you kind of like browse through it and see what all they have to offer. But at the top, it'll say hire freelancers or find work. You want to find a work and it's actually going to categorize it based on skill, language, featured jobs, and find contests. So we're going to click on find by skill. Now, if I click on this, this is actually going to come up. I'm going to click on view more. So if I click on view more, it is once again going to pull up all of the different jobs. Now, if I see here, this is like everything. So you can see there's 5,000 jobs found. Now, we're not just looking for any job, we're looking for specialized writing, copywriting. So what we're going to do is actually go under jobs. So over here, there's Freelancer, there's jobs, and browse all jobs. So if you click on jobs, what it's going to do is going to take you under all of the categories. So you can even see, I mean, for, of course, this specific video, I'm showing you exactly which projects that you can do. But even if you want to do something else, this is a really good platform to find specific jobs. But what we're going to do is go under jobs and then go under writing and content. And what I love about this is, once again, it is categorized based on all of the specialized industry. So remember, we were talking about, once again, copywriting, there's manuscripts, there's podcast writing, there's research papers you can be doing, creative writing, essay writing, fiction, ghost writing. There's so many specific ones. So once again, I think this looks like it's over 100 specific jobs. So if, once again, you don't want to do research papers, but you would much rather do like biographies, or you would much rather do a blog, right? You can find specific jobs under these categories. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pick a category that I think most people would love to do. And let's first start with something basic, which is just like copywriting. Now, this can be mainly for like content. This can be for marketing. Once again, basically anything. So if we click on this and scroll down, you can see there are 335 jobs found, pricing in, once again, USD if you're in the States. Now, how I love to see which job is, once again, a good fit for you and what you're going to most likely get is you want to categorize it based on lowest bids and entries. So the way freelancer.com works is someone basically uploads a specific project, and then people can put bids on whether or not they want, once again, the project. And usually I think there's like a timeline of either like 7 days, 5 days. I think the person that's actually uploading the project, they can choose, but you want to find the lowest bids and entries. And the reason why is because the lowest bids usually are the ones that you have a higher chance of actually getting the project. Now, once again, this is not just like you're applying to one and then you're waiting. There are hundreds, like thousands of jobs. So you can literally sit there and apply to like 50 if you want to, and odds are you're probably going to get a good handful. So if you look at this, you can also see the description. So this one just ended, so we can't apply to this, but this one, so branding individuals profile. This is PR work. So I'm looking for a content creator in PR who can help me increase profile visibility. So this is great for social media. If you're somebody who loves social media, you know a little about brand awareness. This one's paying you $50 an hour, and there's only 2 bids. Now that's pretty good, right? If you're working a part-time job, only getting paid $15 an hour, $50 an hour is not bad. Now, if we keep going, you can see there's a lot more. Okay, so this is $626. Now, it's not per hour, but it's per project basis. This one's looking for need an SEO content writer on a website, 6 days left. I need 10 to 12 articles, 500, 600 words. Okay, 626. Now, there's 8 bids on this. So there are some, but that's not that many. Now, if we keep going, my laptop froze a little bit. Okay, so if we keep going, this one's $1,100 for the project. Comprehensive content creation and ads management. So this is specifically someone where they want somebody who's really good at, once again, content, like copywriting for like Facebook ads, it looks like. So you can place a bid here. So let's just say I want to place a bid on one of them just to see the entire process. Let's do, oh, this one actually ended. I didn't even notice that. So let's do this one, $75, 5 days left. So if we click on bid now, it's probably going to prompt me to make an account and of course submit the bid. Now, I'm not going to go through all this, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty self-explanatory. So you can actually put in how much money you want to get paid. Okay, so you can put the bid amount and then you just put in your email address. And I'm telling you guys, if you bid on multiple projects, and if we go back to the jobs and we go under writing and content again, if you bid on multiple one of these, there's a good chance that you're going to get a good handful. And once again, it can make you anywhere from like $50 an hour to hundreds, thousands per project basis. So this specific side hustle, it's a very tangible one. It's a little boring, once again, if you don't necessarily like to write, but if you love to write, you can make a lot of money by this simple side hustle. And it's, once again, like I walked you guys through all of it. It's really easy to do. You can do it from anywhere in the world. So give it a shot, right? Especially if you just want some side money coming in, if you're still working your 9-to-5 job, or maybe you are like starting your own business and you're just getting things started and you just need some side income. Try this out, because as you can see, there's a lot of demand and people need your help. And if you want to check out any of my other videos where I teach you how to build your own stream of income and your own business, check out this video, because I walk you through the entire process of how to build a 6-figure business. So that's all for today. I love you guys so much. And until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.